Hi, I hope that you're doing well. Thank you for your question regarding quadratics. I'm going to have a look at your questions. There's two questions, an A and a B. So we're going to first start with the A. So in A, it wants us to simplify x plus 1 over x squared. So remember, when we have a squared, it actually means we represent the bracket twice. So it's going to be x plus 1 over x, and then again x plus 1 over x. We're then going to use the FOIL method to multiply out these two brackets as follows. So we've got then x times x, which gives us x squared. X times 1 over x actually gives us 1. 1 over x times x again gives us 1 because the x's cancel out. And then we have plus 1 over x squared. So our final answer will then be x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. In your question B, there are two questions. So I'm going to write it here. So we have x plus 1 over x equals 5. And this particular question wants us to find x squared plus 1 over x squared. So what we know, in order to find this, we can square both sides. So I'm going to actually square both sides. And remember, we've done the square of this in the previous question. So I'm going to write it as x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals to 25. We then keep the x squared plus 1 over x squared on the left hand side, and we then take the 2 over. So x squared plus 1 over x squared, which you are asked to find, is equal to 23. So that was the first one in B. I'm sure you're getting lots of ideas about the second one, where we have x minus 1 over x equals 5. Yes, so we're going to square both sides again. We haven't actually squared this particular bracket before. So we're going to try it out. So we've got x minus 1 over x. Remember, when you square, you show the brackets twice. Equals to 5 squared, which is 25. We then have x squared minus 1 plus 1 over x squared equals 25. Ooh, I see we have x squared plus 1 over x squared, which they want us to find. And we can take the 1's over. So it's 25 plus 1 plus 1. So therefore, x squared plus 1 over x squared then equals to 27. I hope this helps your understanding. Feel free to ask further questions and enjoy similar questions to this question on the Watobi app. All the best.